This week's feature product will help you knock a big spring cleaning chore off the to-do list before your better half even has to ask. Introducing the curved gutter cleaning wand from Panama. This wand fits right into the end of your pressure washer lance and gives you the perfect angle to clean out the gutters without even breaking a sweat. That's right, no more ladders, no more soaked gloves, and no more disgusting buckets of filth. It's made with chromium-plated steel, meaning it won't rust, and it's tough enough to handle any impacts that might occur. It also has a quick connect coupler on the end so you can quickly snap it on when you need and pop it off when you're done. Combined with a max pressure of 5,000 psi and 149 degrees Celsius maximum temperature, this creative curved contraption will work with nearly any pressure washer out there. But what's that I hear? You don't have a pressure washer? Gregg's has got you covered with a wide range of units. Electric and gas, hot or cold, from brands like Karcher, Landa, and would you look at that? Even some options from Panama. So let's get a jump on spring cleaning with this week's feature product, the curved gutter cleaning wand from Panama. What's your trick for cleaning out gutters? Let us know in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.